Using CareCredit at Walmart is a convenient way to pay for health and wellness products and services. To get started, you need to apply for a CareCredit credit card and get approved. Once approved, you can use your card at Walmart to pay for eligible items. First, ensure you have your CareCredit card with you when you visit Walmart. Look for the CareCredit logo at the checkout counter or ask the cashier if they accept CareCredit. Walmart accepts CareCredit for a variety of products and services including pharmacy purchases, optical, and hearing aids. When you are ready to make a purchase, let the cashier know you want to use your CareCredit card. They will ring up your purchase and ask you to swipe your card. If your purchase is eligible for CareCredit financing, the cashier will let you know the financing options available to you. You can use your CareCredit card to pay for a single item or multiple items as long as the total purchase amount is within your available credit limit. Keep in mind that some items may not be eligible for CareCredit financing, so it is always a good idea to check with the cashier before making a purchase. After you have completed your purchase, you will receive a receipt showing the amount you paid with your CareCredit card. You can then log in to your CareCredit account online to view your transaction history and make payments. It is important to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Using CareCredit at Walmart is a great way to pay for health and wellness products and services. By following these steps, you can easily use your CareCredit card to make purchases at Walmart and take advantage of financing options that can help you budget for your healthcare expenses.